In its bid to fight drug menace in Meghalaya, the state government has decided to intensify its action to address the problem. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh, who chaired a review meeting of the DREAM mission yesterday, said that the government will now install screening vehicles along the two entry points of the state, one in Ribhoi and the other in East Chanta Hills. It was also informed that the government will further strengthen the village defense parties in its fight. Lyngdoh has also directed the DGP to send a proposal for strengthening of the anti-narcotics task forces.
Just the need to strengthen manpower at the field level. The ANTF will be further strengthened. We have asked the DG to make a proposal of the required manpower that she can that can be dedicated to the ANTF in order to further enhance our efforts of tackling drugs effectively. We also discussed the need to install scanning vehicles at the entry points to the state of Meghalaya, meaning from the Ribhoi and East Chanta Hills.
A one-month black pottery making training program